Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to improve your privacy or speed up your browsing on mobile, disabling JavaScript in Brave browser can help. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to block scripts easily within the Brave mobile app. Let's get started. Open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu icon. From the menu, scroll and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Scroll down the options until you see Block Scripts. Tap the switch next to Block Scripts to turn it on. Now JavaScript will be blocked across websites, which may reduce tracking and improve load times. Be aware that some websites might not function properly when scripts are disabled. That's it. You've now successfully blocked JavaScript on Brave Mobile. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and privacy tools. See you in the next video.